Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alright, so I got a few questions. I'm going to try to block my face from this. But I got a few questions about a Dirac, how to wear a Dirac versus how to wear a Guntiino. So I'm going to show my way of wearing a Dirac and a Guntiino. So let's go ahead and let's first show you a Dirac. So this is the Dirac that if you guys have been following my Facebook and my Instagram page, this is the Dirac. And it's very simple. Hold on, let me. There we go. It's basically just a dress, and you can pull this side and tuck it in. This is a little bit of a sloppy way of doing it because I hear my kids, so I'm going to try to do this really quickly. But yeah, so you would just tuck it in, and there you have it. Somalis, don't get on me. I know this is not the most perfect way to have it tucked in. I know sometimes you tuck it in like this. I know, again, I'm just rushing, but I just want to give you a general idea of how to wear ba'wing. So this is the ba'wing. And sometimes you would bring the shanmat or the scarf over like this. Sometimes you can wear it down over your shoulders. And sometimes you can wear it just over one shoulder. You can take this out and you can wear it just over one shoulder. Ooh, you got it. If we were at a wedding, that's how it would be, right? So you just enter, have this nicely wrapped over your shoulder, draped over your shoulder, and there you have it, nice and beautiful. Alright, so that is a Dirac or the dress. Now I'm going to show you guys my way again of wrapping a Guntiino. So I have this fabric here, and this is actually a malfah, so it's a little bit longer. And sometimes you want to wear a Guntiino as a sari. So basically what I do, just wrap it, and somehow I got tied. My kids, gotta love them. Alright, and it needs to be tighter. And I tuck it, I fold, and I wear this as a sari. Nice and beautiful. This is how it looks in the back. This is how it looks in the front. Of course, I would dress this up a little bit, wear this down here, some earrings, a nice necklace, but that is pretty much the first look. I like this. I like how this accentuates a feminine body. Alright, so now, since again this is a little bit longer in the yardage, what I'm going to do, to wear it a more local, more traditional way, I'm going to go ahead and fold this and drape it over my shoulder, open the bottom, wrap this around, and wrap it around. Gonna tuck it, gonna fold it, gonna bring this over, gonna tighten in the back, gonna make it tighter. Let's make this tighter over here. And this is a pretty neat fold. And there you have it. So this is I wear a second Guntiino. I can bring this over too. I can bring this over more. And this is a more local Guntiino, a more local way of doing it. Again, I will tighten it up in the back actually. Tighten it up in the back, and there you have it. Again, I would wear it with some jewelry, make it look cute, some accessories, even a belt right here if you have one. And that's a more local. This is my very simple tutorial. So again, I hope you guys enjoy this. This is just my way of wearing a Dirac and a Guntiino. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about in the comments. Let me know how you wear yours. And yeah, I gotta go because my kids are acting up. I will see you guys in the next video, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.